Edukidz, Kids Learning Hub.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
One yellow circle bouncing on the floor. 2 blue squares sliding past the door. 3 green triangles spinning round and round. 4 yellow stars falling to the ground. 5 red hearts floating in the air. 6 orange diamonds sparkling over there. 7 pink ovals sliding down the wall. 8 brown rectangles standing very tall. 9 purple arrows pointing down below. 10 bright shapes. Ready, set, let's go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Edukidz, Kids Learning Hub.